Take fish oil every day to see how the body is going to adjust. We're always waiting for this magic item that can make us feel better inside and out. Omega-3 fatty acids are extremely important. They have many important health effects for both the body and your brain. In fact, few nutrients were researched as extensively as omega-3 fatty acids. Here are 20 health effects of omega-3 fatty acids if you consume them daily. 1. Battle for stress and fear. Depression is one of the world's most prevalent psychiatric illnesses. Symptoms include depression, tiredness, and a general lack of life interest. Anxiety disorders are a group of mental health diagnostics that contribute to extreme nervousness, panic, anticipation, and anxiety. People who consistently eat omega-3 are less likely to be depressed. Omega-3 supplements can help to prevent and treat depression and anxiety. 2. Better protection of the retina. DHA, the form of omega-3, is a significant structural part of your eye's retina. When you don't get enough DHA, vision problems may arise. Omega-3 fatty acid, or DHA, is a significant structural part of the eye's retina. It may help prevent macular degeneration, which may lead to impaired vision and blindness. 3. Promote brain health during pregnancy and early life. For brain growth and development in children, omega-3 are crucial. During breastfeeding, having enough omega-3 is related to multiple benefits for your infant. It allows your child to have greater intelligence, stronger communication and social skills, less issues with actions, so it is important for the health of your infant to get enough omega-3 during pregnancy and early life. 4. Improve risk factors for heart disease. The world's main causes of death are heart attacks and strokes. The fatty acids omega-3 and omega-6 in fish oil minimize the chance of contracting heart disease. The amount of triglycerides that lead to elevated blood pressure caused by plaque formation in the arteries is decreased by these acids. All the icky stuff can be washed out by fish oil so that the heart does not have to work so hard to pump blood around your body. 5. Reducing ADHD symptoms in infants. A personality disorder characterized by inattention, hyperactivity and impulsivity is attention deficit hyperactivity disorder (ADHD). Children with ADHD have lower blood levels of omega-3 fatty acids than their healthy peers. Inattention and work completion are improved by omega-3. Hyperactivity, impulsiveness, restlessness and violence are also decreased. Recently, experts have found that one of the most effective therapies for ADHD is fish oil supplementation. 6. Reduce metabolic syndrome symptoms. The psychiatric name for a blend of diabetes, elevated blood pressure and obesity is metabolic syndrome. It puts you at greater risk of getting coronary heart disease, stroke and other conditions that affect the blood vessels. Insulin tolerance, inflammation and heart disease risk factors in people with metabolic syndrome can be enhanced by omega-3 fatty acids. They will decrease insulin resistance, combat inflammation and increase risk factors for many heart diseases. 7. Fight inflammation. Inflammation refers to your body's process of fighting against things that harm it, such as infections, injuries, and toxins, in an attempt to heal itself. Omega-3 fatty acids can minimize the development of inflammation-related molecules and substances. Chronic inflammation, which may lead to heart disease, cancer and many other disorders, may be minimized by omega-3. 8. Fight autoimmune diseases. In autoimmune diseases, your immune system mistakes healthy cells for foreign cells and starts attacking them. Some of these diseases can be fought against by omega-3 and may be particularly important during early life. Omega-3 fatty acids, including type 1 diabetes, rheumatoid arthritis, can help fight several autoimmune diseases, colitis with ulceration, Crohn's disease, and psoriasis. 9. Mental disorders improve. There have been reports of low omega-3 levels in individuals with psychiatric disorders. Supplements of omega-3 can decrease the frequency of mood swings in individuals with both schizophrenia and bipolar disorder. Omega-3 fatty acid supplementation may also reduce violent behavior. 10. Fight age-related mental decline and Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is thought to be caused by the abnormal buildup of proteins in and around brain cells. One of the unavoidable implications of aging is a decline in brain function. Higher intake of omega-3 can decrease mental decline associated with age and a reduced risk of Alzheimer's disease. 11. Cancer reduction support. Cancer is one of the world's leading causes of death and the incidence of such cancers has long been believed to be minimized by omega-3 fatty acids. Studies suggest that persons who eat the most omega-3 have up to a 55% reduced chance of colon cancer. The risk of some forms of cancer, including colon, prostate, and breast cancer, can be decreased by omega-3 intake. 12. Reducing asthma. With signs such as coughing, shortness of breath and wheezing, asthma is a chronic lung condition. Inflammation and swelling of the airways of the lungs triggers them. The ingestion of omega-3 has been related to a reduced prevalence of asthma in both children and young adults. 15. Relieve menstrual pain. Menstrual pain is present in your lower abdomen and pelvis and also radiates to your lower back and thighs. It can have a huge effect on the quality of life. Studies have consistently shown that women who drink the most omega-3 have milder menstrual pain. Omega-3 fatty acids can minimize menstrual pain and may even be more effective than aspirin, an anti-inflammatory medication. 16. Boost your sleep. Healthy sleep is one of the pillars for optimal performance. High omega-3 fatty acid levels are associated with sleep disorders in children and obstructive sleep apnea in adults. Low levels of DHA are also correlated with lower levels of the hormone melatonin, which makes you fall asleep. Omega-3 fatty acids can improve the duration and quality of your sleep. 17. Good for your skin. Omega-3 fatty acid can help preserve the protection of the intestines and give the skin a calming, glowing look. It helps control the oil production and hydration of your skin. It also reduces the chance of premature aging of the skin. Omega-3 can also shield the skin from sun damage. 18. Reduce the weight. Omega-3 fatty acids in fish oil have several possible health effects, one of which leads to weight loss. More specifically, fish oil omega-3 will help you lose your inches and lose your body fat. Researchers have observed that daily intake of fish oil lowers hunger and improves that full feeling you have in your stomach after eating. Omega-3 acids increase the body's capacity to break down fats, so literally when you take them. 19. Fast muscle recovery after exercise. Analysis suggests that taking omega-3 during exercising results in reduced pain and muscle aches during exercise. The concentration of polyunsaturated fatty acids in fish oil is capable of protecting nerve cells from injuries and even prevent them from dying. 20. Help growing hair and nail quicker. If you've damaged and dried your hair and cracked your nails, instead of using all kinds of creams and potions, try consuming more omega-3 and you'll see a big difference quickly. Omega-3 fatty acids are important for optimum well-being. Having them from whole foods, such as fatty fish, twice a week is the safest way to achieve a robust omega-3 intake. However, if you don't eat a lot of fatty fish, you may want to consider taking an omega-3 supplement. This is a cheap and highly efficient way to improve health for people who are low in omega-3. Thank you for watching. Give your thumbs up if you liked this video. If you want more health tips and tricks, you can subscribe to the channel.